I made a crispy tuna rice with Daryl and Matt. It came out amazing. What we did was we made some rice, sushi rice, overnight, put it in the fridge. Then we fried it up the next day. But it was a little messy, so I'm going to do an oven version. I just lightly sprayed these with oil, put it in the oven for 425, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. This is the result. You get a little crispy rice. We put the tuna with a nice seasoned mayo, avocado, and a Fresno chili on there, and finish it off with some Trader Joe's furikake. Not sure how to say that. I used some sushi grade yellowfin tuna that I hand chopped, I got today. But Daryl and Matt used some canned tuna that they had, and they said it was really awesome too. So that is an option if you can't get some sushi grade tuna around there. Thank you, Daryl and Matt, and this is the recipe for today.